Welcome to part 2 of top 5 eyeliner styles. In this video, I'll be showing you a few go-to looks that are super flattering on every eye shape. Whether you're into something subtle or bold, there's a style here for you. So let's jump right in. The first eyeliner style that I'm going to talk about today is the thin line or the classic eyeliner, and it is also known as the smooth line. This style features a very thin line along the upper lash line with a small subtle wing. It's a timeless look that suits every occasion. Now, how to achieve the look? Use a precise liquid liner or precise brush like this. Since I want to use this eyeliner, I'm using a brush. Draw the thinnest possible line along your upper lashes, and you can start also from your inner corner to your outer corner. This line is closely connected to my lash line. And now add a tiny wing at the outer corner. This is the classic eyeliner, a very thin line with a subtle wing at the outer corner. This eyeliner is also good for hooded eyes because it is very much thin and it doesn't get lost under the fold. And remember, with practice, everything is possible. This is it. And now I create a minimal wing at the outer corner. And you know, since the wing is very minimal, we can also put the attention on the center and try to move the mascara brush upward and not in an oblique order. It is as if that our eyes is bigger from the center. This is the final look of classic eyeliner. Next eyeliner style is also one of the easiest eyeliners of all time, and it's also one of my favorites. This eyeliner has only wing. This is called minimal winged liner. Start from your inner corner and extend this line straightly or downward. It doesn't matter. You can apply it very straightly or you can apply it downward. I'm going to apply it downward. Just a thin wing at my inner corner. And now I draw a small wing extending outward in my outer corner. Remember to keep the liner very thin for achieving a minimal look. One of the good things about this liner is that we should skip the middle, so everything looks pretty much even better for hooded eyes. You can also change the intensity of the outer corners as well. This is the final look. For the best possible result, remember to brush your lashes in an oblique order with your mascara. And in this way, your eyes look bigger, but from the edges. Next eyeliner style is fully rimmed eyeliner, which is not my favorite, but let's go for it. Begin from the inner corner and glide the line along the upper lash line. I keep the line as close possible to my lash line. Repeat the process along your lower lash line and then connect the lines at the outer corner. This is it. This eyeliner is definitely not my favorite one because I think it doesn't make my eyes beautiful. This eyeliner style is perfect for those times that someone is taking picture from you, but a very far away picture. I mean, you are standing in a long distance. This eyeliner makes your eyes pop from that long distance. Tell me, what do you think? Do you think that this eyeliner is pretty on my eyes or not? Next eyeliner style is double winged or reverse eyeliner. And the source of inspiration of this eyeliner is my favorite cartoon in childhood, Anastasia. Glide the liner smoothly along your lash line. Keep it close to the lashes for more definition. And once we reach the outer corner, we extend the line outward to create a beautiful wing. Draw another small eyeliner at your lower lash line, mirroring the upper one. But try to keep it smaller than the upper one. And the lower one starts from the middle of your eyes. Next eyeliner style is the reverse smoky liner. The reverse smoky eye flips the traditional smoky eye technique by focusing the drama on the lower lash line. Instead of focusing on the upper lash line, this time we focus on the lower lash line. And that's why it's perfect for hooded eyes, because it entirely avoids the fold. This is the brush of Maybelline eyeliner. Using the same brush, I line the outer half of my lower lash line. I pull the shadow outward for a wing. With the other side of my brush, I blend it to create that smudge. This is it. This eyeliner creates a striking eye-opening effect. Let's see how it becomes with beautiful lashes. This is it. And that's it for the part 2 of the top 5 eyeliner styles. I would be very much grateful if you like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!